He spoke about all these issues with Senator Marco Rubio today in an in-depth interview you'll only see on Local 10. Ross joins us live from Capitol Hill. Hi there.
Hi, Lori and Calvin. Well, Senator Marco Rubio speaking at length and in depth on all of those issues. You already know that Senator Rubio is very close with the president, but he does not agree with the president on everything. So we began our conversation this afternoon speaking about NATO as the president is in Brussels meeting with our allies.
Very good. Beautiful.
The president tonight saying it's going well after fireworks this morning.
Germany is totally controlled by Russia.
In his first public comments, Trump going after our ally Germany and its reliance on Russian natural gas.
If you look at it, Germany is a captive of Russia because they supply. They got rid of their coal plants. They got rid of their nuclear. They're getting so much of the oil and gas from Russia.
Do you believe that Germany is captive of Russia?
So his point is that gives Russia tremendous leverage over Germany and other European economies, of which he's right.
When it comes to supporting NATO overall, Senator Marco Rubio, one of 97 senators, voting yesterday to reaffirm congressional support.
I think it's important for our allies to know that in America there's strong support for the alliance.
And as for the president's comments on the NATO alliance meetings where he supported Russia.
Frankly, Putin may be the easiest of them all.
I don't know what he meant by it. I can tell you that the meeting with our allies...
We can take it at face value. He believes meeting with Putin is easier than meeting with our allies.
I think we have some open issues with our allies that are going to get a lot of coverage.
More so than with Russia?
Well, obviously he doesn't intend to raise some of those issues, publicly at least, with Putin. But I don't think there's any comparison in terms of the threat to the United States.
Meanwhile, after the Trump administration missed yesterday's deadline to reunite all 102 immigrant children under 5 with their parents, Senator Rubio calling for a better solution.
Is that troubling to you?
Well, the whole thing is troubling because ultimately, if you're going to put a policy like that in place, then you have to lay the groundwork to execute on it. And obviously that didn't happen, and it's unfortunate.
Do you think that the Trump administration is botching this at this point?
I think they're probably moving as fast as they can.
And as Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh continues meeting with senators today, Rubio saying he has questions before his final decision.
What's relevant is his views on the judiciary. The job of a Supreme Court justice is not to make the law, but to apply it.
Do you want to see Roe versus Wade overturned?
I believe Roe versus Wade is bad law, and I've always said it from a constitutional perspective.
Do you want him to overturn this?
I want the Supreme Court to overturn it because I think it's bad law.
Do you think
but
he
he's
will
not going to? I don't know what he's going to do,
it?
and I doubt he's going to answer that question because every case has its own set of facts.
Well, that is the key question that everyone here on the Hill wants answered. But the simple truth is Supreme Court nominees do not answer these questions directly anymore. And Lori and Calvin, Senator Rubio basically saying he knows he will not get an answer to this. So he wants to understand how Kavanaugh thinks, if he's a strict constructionist with the Constitution or whether he believes that it should be interpreted in modern times. And that's how Rubio will make his decision whether he'll vote yes on that Supreme Court nomination.